a small topic quickly. Okay, so today's our topic is PEMDAS. Okay, I think PEMDAS, parenthesis exponents and parenthesis exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Today this is the meaning of. Let me write here. Okay, let me write here the meaning of P. What is meant by P, and this is the last topic of our chapter. Okay, parenthesis. Parentheses are brackets. Okay, parentheses are brackets like you see in mathematics about the brackets. This thing, the thing seems like let me draw here the thing. Okay, wait a little bit. So bracket or parentheses, these seems like this thing. Okay, this called the brackets or parentheses. Okay, or sometimes these seems like this. Okay, these are also called the brackets, and there will be something here. Okay, and also there is another form of this thing which is like curly brackets. Okay, curly brackets, which is like this. Okay, so this is the parentheses and bracket. What is about the exponents? Okay, exponents, and we learned about the exponents in our last session. Okay, and we learned in very detail about the exponents. What is exponent actually? It is actually the power. Okay, the exponent is the power of the number. We say that this we say about the power of the men's, power of the humans, power of the animals, power of the cow, power of the wrestler in WWE. But there is an exponent which is the power of the numbers, and exponent seems like this. Okay, 2 power 3. This is the here. What is the exponent? Here 3 is the exponent. Okay, so E stand for exponent here. Okay, and let me check as PE and PEMDAS. Okay, PEMDAS. Now M comes. Okay, M stand for multiplication. M stand for multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Okay, multiplication is a basic thing. I hope that all of you know about the multiplication. Okay, Atifa, can you please confirm that is my screen visible to all of you or not? Atifa, tell me.
Yes, teacher, it is. I can see it.
Yeah. Okay, so what is this? This is the PEMDAS. Okay, now what is D stand for? D stand for the division. So let me write the division. And the division is in daily life, like it is a very exciting for division, and we can also write this 2 divided by 3 or something. Okay, this is also called fraction. But okay, D stand for division, and A, what is A? A for stand for the subtraction here. Okay, A here stand for the subtraction. Let me write. Okay, sorry. A stand for the addition. Okay, addition. It's just the abbreviation. Okay, like A for addition, and at the end we have S. Okay, at the end we have S. S stand for subtraction. Addition, like this sign is addition. Okay, subtraction. The sign of minus, we say in our daily life like this is minus. Okay, so this stand for subtraction. So let me explain a little bit about this topic. What is this actually? This is PEMDAS. This is the very important thing. Okay, very important. Please dear student, remember the, let me write here with the red pen. Okay, remember this sequence. First is P, parenthesis. Second is what? E, exponents. Third is what? Multiplication. Okay, and fourth is what? Fourth is what? Fourth is what? D. Okay, and the fifth is addition, and the third is subtraction. This is a very generic rule, a very generic and very important rule, which is applicable everywhere in mathematics. In mathematics, wherever you do the calculation, you will follow this sequence. Actually, this is a sequence for. Let me write here. This is the sequence for. This is the. Sorry. This is the sequence for any calculation. This is the sequence of any calculation in math. Okay, this will be a sequence. Like let me tell you the example. Okay, now I am doing the example. If you in mathematics or in your daily life, if you have got the situation like this, let me write here. Okay, if you have got the situation like this, okay, what will be there, like 3 multiplied by 9. Okay, so this is a very important thing. Okay. Yes.
Can you read again the sentence that you write?
Okay, I am reading that. Okay, this is the sequence of any calculation in math. This is the sequence of any calculation in mathematics.
Exactly.
Okay, let me increase the. Okay, so dear student, what you, if you have got the situation like this, this is what, this is the parenthesis or brackets. You can also say the parenthesis. Okay, please please note my please note my pointer. Okay, my pointer. Okay, this is my mouse pointer. I am also drawing it, writing here with blue pen. Okay, these things are also these things are called parentheses. Okay, and we can also say that these are brackets. So what actually the rule says? The rule says, okay, let me write here with the again blue pen. Okay, the rule says parenthesis is first. Okay, and second is the exponent. So what is the first? First is parenthesis, P. Let me write it, parenthesis. Okay, first is the parenthesis, P. So what is mean by this rule? Actually, it says that we must solve the things within the parenthesis first. Okay, don't, please dear student, again note the thing. Don't go to the solution, like don't do directly direct multiplication here. Okay, actually if you have the condition like this, there are two brackets, so there is a multiplication by default here. Okay, so don't do this multiplication directly. Okay, please first solve these things. Okay, like the 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 9. First resolve these issues. Okay, how will you do this? How can we do this like this? Okay, this implies that. So what is let me write this question again. 2 plus 3 dot also means the multiplication. Okay, dot also means the multiplication. So what is 2 plus 3? It is 5. Okay, let me write the 5 here. Now what is 3 multiplied by 9? 3 multiplied by 9 is what? 27. Okay, 27. Now this comes with this. Okay, so what is the thing actually? Now we have got the thing. This is 5, 27. So what is this? These are multiplication. These are multiplying with each other. So what? How can we do the multiplication? We will just write in our with our hand, with our pencil and paper, like this. Okay, 5 multiplied by 20, we will write 27 above and 5 below. So what is this? 5 multiplied by 7 is what? 35. 5 will be below and 3 will be carry. Again 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Okay, and 10 plus 3 is what? 13. So it is actually 135. 135. It is a solution for this. Okay, so let me write the another example for this. Okay, let me write the another example. We can move to another page. Okay, like this is number 2. If you have got the situations like this, please note my thing. Okay, this thing. Okay, note this thing, dot, like we can also say the plus. Okay, 5 3 divided by our, like let me write here the 3 minus 1. So dear student, please note the thing is a little bit more advanced question, but not difficult. Okay, these are simple things and don't be afraid of these things. Okay, these are just simple questions. Okay, so let me what is the rule, dear students? The rule is PEMDAS. Okay, what is the rule? PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Okay, so this is the rule. So what is let me write here the rule again. PEMDAS. This is the rule. Okay, what is first? Parenthesis. It says that first resolve the issues with the parenthesis. First resolve the issue within. Let me write here. Okay, first resolve the issues within the parentheses. So what are the parentheses here? Parentheses here are, okay, parentheses. Parentheses, we can see easily the parentheses. Okay, we can see easily the parentheses. So we will first resolve the issue within the parentheses. So what is the first parenthesis in the denominator? The parenthesis in the numerator is this, okay, 2 power 3 plus 5 power 3. Now how will you do that? We can do this very easily, okay, and we studied about the exponent in our previous class in very detail. Please, dear students, if you don't understand about exponent, then please do contact me Atifa. She will explain it to all of you. You can also contact the Shiba, they know that thing, okay, or you can see our previous lecture notes, or you can contact me also, okay. So please learn this thing, okay. This is what this 2 power 3, and what will be this will be actually 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, okay, and this is 5 power 3. What is this? 5 multiplied by 5 25, 25 multiplied by 3 is what? Is 125, okay. This is the thing actually. So we can just replace the things by this 8, and 5 power 3 is replaced by 1 to 5. So what is the addition of them? 8 plus 1 to 5 is 133, okay. Now we resolve the issue in this bracket, but this bracket is remaining. So how we can resolve this issue in the bracket? Actually, what is 3 minus 1? This 3 minus 1 is under the bracket, and we will resolve this issue, and this will be we got 2. So what is actually the simplified form is this? The simplified form. Let me write this question in simplified form. Let me write this thing in the simplified form, which is this 3 minus 1 will be equal to. So what is this? This is 133, and this is 2. So what is it, dear student? Please note the thing. This will be our answer, okay. This will be our simplification, and this will be our solution, okay. So these are very simple question, and this is the rule. Just remember the parentheses, exponents. Let me write it again: parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This is the very important rule and very generic rule, okay. It will apply everywhere in mathematics, in every question, in every scenario, in everything, in every subject also, okay. It does not mean that only in mathematics, in biology, in physics, or chemistry, or anything you study in the field of science, or in the business, or if you are doing MBA, or if you are studying statistics, or if you are studying MBBS, or if you are studying neurology. This is the sequence for the whole science, okay, for the whole science, scientific fields, PEM and DAS. You will always simplify the things in this form, okay. I also solved the 2 examples for you people, okay. Now the time, I think there is a 2 minutes. How many minutes we have remaining, Atifa?
Sir, it is about 8 o'clock here.
Okay, so how many do we have a time or not?
I think we do, if the students agree. But some have classes at 8 o'clock.
Okay. There are 10 students there, okay, and I think the few students are already absent from the class, so, and few of them will have their own class. So I think we should end the class. Okay.
Yes, probably.
What did they say? Okay, dear student, what do you say about the class? Should we end the class, or do you want to study a little bit more? Adia?
No, just give us some question and we will solve it like a classwork.
Okay. You will solve the question in an assignment, or you solve it now?
What, teacher?
You will solve the question in your homework, or you will solve you want to solve the question now in the class?
No, just give us some question and we will solve it in class right now. Because others are gone and they have classes, so just exercising something.
Okay, then I'm writing the few questions here, okay. And if any students have the class or don't have any time, then they can leave. And if students are present, then I'm writing the few examples for them. and they can solve this question. Okay, so I am just writing the few example for them. Okay. So dear student, this is the number third. This number will be number third, and this will be like 5 3 divided by 2 minus 3, 2 minus 2, and this will be again multiplied by what, uh, like 2 minus 4, and this will be multiplied by 5 minus 6, which will be divided by 9 multiplied by 8 404. Okay, this will be the simplified this question. Okay, the 4 is in power here. Okay, this is the 4, and this will be in the power. This will be in the power here. So dear student, please try out this question. Okay, and follow this rule: parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, please follow it. Your answer or not? Okay, the answer will be Shiba Azad and Hadia. We solved the question, and they sent me the answer. And Nahid Hakimi is asking, teacher, how can we solve this the minus exponent? Okay, Naida, very good for your interest. Actually, let me Naid Hakimi. Actually, we in our previous class we have studied it in very detail. Okay, about the exponents and about the negative exponents. I think you are new here and you missed the previous classes because you are new. And actually, we studied the separate topic about the exponents, and here we discussed about the negative powers. Okay, so please let me explain the question here because there are few students which are new. Okay, and I am now doing this question. Okay, no problem. It's a very easy question, and so we will just apply the rule. Okay, we will just apply the rule. What is the rule? It is parenthesis. First solve the issues within the parentheses. This is parentheses, these are brackets, and these are within the brackets. Okay, these are within the brackets, these are within the brackets, these are within the bracket. So first we will take the parentheses and solve them one by one. Okay, so first let me give the name. This is parenthesis number A, this is parenthesis number B, this is parenthesis number C. So first we will see the parenthesis number A. Okay, so what is parenthesis number A? How can we do this? Like this is the what is this? 5 power 3. This is a sign of division and divided by 2 power minus 2. So how will you simplify this thing? Okay, please listen carefully and okay, and be attentive, very attentive. Okay, Donia and Atifa Ibrahim also sent the answer. Okay, very good, excellent. Okay, Donia, Atifa Ibrahimi, and the Hadia and Shiba someone sent me the answer, and I appreciate their effort. Okay, so dear students, for the new student, I am explaining this question. Okay, and at the end we will see the answer. Okay, so this is the part A of parentheses. Okay, and how will we resolve this issue? So please, what is 5? Please think about the 5 power 3. What is 5 power 3? It is 1 to 5. Actually, the 5 power 3 is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, so what it is 1 to 5. So please just write the 1 to 5 in place of this thing, and write the division sign as same as this. Okay, and what is 2 power minus 2? Decide about this thing. Okay. Oh, sorry. This is 2 minus 2. Okay, and this is actually the thing like this. Okay, the thing like this. Okay, and how will we can write this thing? We can write this thing like this. Okay, so please just put the 1 by 4 in place of this thing. Okay, the expression we have is this thing. Okay, expression we have this thing. Okay, so 1 to 5. Let me write the line here. 1 to 5. So please, dear students, the old student know this already previously. The Tifa and the other students, the Hadia, know the thing that we can just replace the division sign by this division sign. Okay, these are just same thing. Okay, no need, I think, no need explanation for this. Okay, we can write, I just change this form of representation. Okay, this can be also represented like this: 1 to 5 divided by 1 by 4, 1 to 5 divided by 1 by 4. I can also write this like this. So please, dear students, listen carefully. We also studied about this in our previous sections of fractions. Okay, how can we solve this fraction? Okay, we can just write 1 to 5 and we can just write it by multiplication. This will go to the multiplication, and this will become the this will be change its shape. Okay, like here it is 1 by 4. Now it will become the 4 by 1 if it go toward the denominator here in multiplication. So what it will become? It will become 1 to 5 multiplied by 4, and 1 is by default. Okay, no issues. Okay, 1 is creating no problem for us. So we will just multiply 1 to 5 by 4. Okay, and 1 to 5 multiplied by 4 is what? It is give us 500. Okay, it just give us 500. So I can safely write that parenthesis A. The parenthesis A is equal to the 500. Okay, this is for A. Okay, let us check the parenthesis number B. Parenthesis number B is very simple. It is 5 minus 6. So what is 5 minus 6? It is minus 1. Okay, this parenthesis number B, no problem. Check the parenthesis number C. Parenthesis number C. It is parenthesis number C is 9 minus. Let me 9 multiplied by 8 power 4. Okay. 9 multiplied by 8 power 4. So this is in parentheses. And how can we do this? So first of all, think about the 8 power 4. What is 8 power 4? 8 power 4 is what? 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 and multiplied by 8. Okay. 8 multiplied by 8 is 64, and 64 multiplied by 8 is what? We can check it. Okay. 64 multiplied by 8 is 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. 3 carry, and 8 multiplied by 6 is what? It is 68, and 68 plus 3 is 71. It is 712. Okay, it is 712, and 712 again multiplied with 8. Okay, let us multiply 712 with the 8. So what is this? 8 multiplied by 2 is what? 16. 1 carry. 8 and plus 1 9, and 8 multiplied by 7 is what? 42.
Sorry.
Okay. Yes. Who is this?
The teacher is 4096.
4096.
Yeah, teacher.
Are you confirmed with this? Okay, let me confirm this. Okay, I think this is 4296. You saying that there is no 200 in between.
200 no, isn't.
No, teacher,
Okay.
it's 4096.
Yes.
Yes, it's for okay. How is this? Okay, let us check again. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, 6 and 1 carry. 8 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, and now 8 multiplied by 7 is what? Tell me. 8 multiplied by 7 is 7. Let me check here. Okay, 7 multiplied by 8, 56. Okay, I think we have done something wrong here. Okay, let me calculate this again. Okay, let me check this again. Sorry for that. 64 multiplied by 8 is what? 8 multiplied by 4 is what? 24. Okay, no, it's 32. Sorry. I am just calculating. 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. 2 and 3 carry. Now 6 multiplied by 8 is what? 48, and 48 plus 3 is what? It is 51. Okay, it is 512. Now again multiply the 512 with the 8. It will now give us your answer. Okay, 8 multiplied by 2 is what? 16. 6 and 1 will carry. 8 multiplied by 1, 8 and 1 9. Okay, and 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. Okay, it give us 4096. Okay, So this is the thing. So my main thing is I will rub this thing. Okay, you can do this. This is a very simple task. So dear student, what is my main actually? My main was simplification. Okay, my main was simplification, and we have done this. Okay, now again we were solving about the parenthesis number c, and parenthesis number c can be done like this thing. Okay, what is this? 9 multiplied by now this is actually 4096. Now we will just multiply 4096 by 9. Okay, multiply this. Okay, now 6 multiplied by 9 is what? It is 54. Okay, 5 you add up 4 carry. Again 9 multiplied by 9 is what? 81, and 81 plus 5 is 86. Okay, 6 and 1 will be carry. Oh sorry, again it is 86. Okay, I will write the 86. I will write 6 here, and 8 will be carry, and 9 multiplied by 0 is 0, and it will be 8. Okay, and 9 multiplied by 4 is 4 multiplied by 9 is what? It is 36. Okay, so we have got the thing 36864. Okay, and now let me confirm this thing. Okay, confirmation is good for our health. 49.6 multiplied by 9. Okay, good. So dear student, we have also simplified the parenthesis number c. So please move back to the questions. Okay, what was the question? The question was this. Okay, let me write again here. 3 divided by 2 minus 2. 3 divided by 2 minus 2. These are parentheses multiplied by 2 minus 2, and 5 plus 6. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 divided by 9 plus 9 multiplied. 9 multiplied by 8 4. So dear student, we have the thing we were the question like this, and we were the question like this. So so what we have done actually, we replace all those parentheses like this. First, this parenthesis number a, this parenthesis number b, this parenthesis number c. Just put their simplified form here. Okay, parenthesis number a is 500. 500 multiplied by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 5 minus 6 is what? Minus 1 divided by this is what? Parenthesis number c is 36864. 36864. This parenthesis number 6. Okay, this now this question now become very simplified, and we can do this very easily. So what is this? This the thing is PEMDAS.
Teacher,
Yes, sir.
sorry for interruption. 2 with the power of minus 2 is extra here because you already solved it.
No,
You
actually
solved
there
it
were
and the result was
let me show
500.
you. Okay, okay, there Atifa, there were two 2's. Okay, please check the question here. Okay, one is 2 minus 2, 2 power minus 2, and another one is 2 minus 4. So here is the 2 minus 4. Okay, this 2. Okay,
Oh, okay.
okay. So here is the dear student, there is 2 minus 4. So please note one thing again. This is a very important point. We have done with parentheses, but now what is remaining? This is the exponent. Now second option, we will see the issue with exponents. So in this question, one student will tell me where is the issue of exponent. Let me check the name of the student. Nahid Akimi. Please tell me, Nahid, what is the exponent here? PEMDAS rule says that we must solve the exponent. Okay, where is the exponent in this question, in this expression? Nahid Hakimi. Yes, please.
Teacher, I don't have a screen.
Okay, you don't have a screen.
I don't.
That's not good. Okay, then Vida Zahir. Okay, Vida Zahir, can you tell us where is the exponent here?
Sorry, would you go again?
Yes, I am asking that where is the exponent to solve here in this expression?
It might be 2 to the power of -4.
Yes, very good. So, dear student, we have solved the parentheses, and in second option there is the e. What is meant by e? E is stand for exponents. Okay, here is the exponent, which is -4. Now we will see this. Okay, what is 2 minus 4 actually? 2 power minus 4. It is actually. It we can write this like in this form. This is also clear to us in from our previous lectures. Okay, and what is 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 power 4? Atifa, what is 2 to the power 4?
It is 16, teacher.
Yes. Okay. So this is 16 actually. 1 over 16. Okay. So please write the question. Write this question like this. Okay, in simplified form. Now the questions become very become in very simplified form. The question become in the very simplified form, and we 3 6 8 6 4. Now we can easily multiply it. Now what is the third option? PEM. Okay, please see this question. Okay, we have done this. We have done exponents. We have done parentheses. We have done exponents. We have now multiplication is remaining. So how can we do the multiplication? Okay, please note this thing. Okay, so it is -1. -1 we multiplied is a whole, and the whole expression will become negative, and it will be like this 500, and nominator will multiply with nominator. This is nominator. It will multiply with 1 and -1. So again we will get the 500, and the below thing is 16. Okay, 16 multiplied by 36864. Okay, now again we have got the thing. Okay, the thing is 36864 multiplied by 16. How can we do this? Okay, we will just do this step by step. Okay, 6 multiplied by 4 is what? 24. Okay, 4 and 2 carry. 6 multiplied by 6 is what? 36, and 2 is 38. Okay, 8 and 3 carry. 6 multiplied by 8 is 48, and it will become 51, and 5 carry. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36, and 5. It will become 41. So 1 and 4 carry. Okay, let me. Okay, yes, I am doing right. And 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, and plus 4 was it will be 22. Okay, so let me put the cross here. Okay, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. I think someone is asking question. So Shiba Azad give us the answer. Okay, very good, Shiba. Shiba, actually I know that many of students know the multiplication, but I am just bonded, or I am just not doing this from my happiness. I am just doing this for some students. I think there are a few students who don't know the multiplication. I want to these students to learn them. Okay, it is just simple. Okay, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Now just write this again. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 carry. Again 1 plus 6 7 plus 1 8. Okay, 1 plus 8 9. 2 plus 6 8, and 5. So this is the actually our answer. Okay, so let me check again this thing. So this one, the expression become is -500 divided by 5898 and 24. So this will be your answer. Okay, and what we have done actually, we have done actually a very long thing. We have simplified these equations, which was this equation. Let me write it here again very in clear form. We have the expression like this, and we just simplify the expression in a very good form. Okay, in a very simplified form, in a very like a beautiful form. Okay, this was 8 and 4. Okay, this was 8 and power 4. So this is the our situation. This was our issue and our question, and we done this simplification by following the PEM and DES rule. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember this rule. We will also do some example, and I will give you some homework on this section also in the next class. Okay, next class. Okay, so if you have if any students have any question, then please ask the question. Okay, there are few students new. Let me track. Okay, Naid Akimi. Naid, tell me if you have any issue with understanding these type of questions. Please tell me, do you know the multiplication or division basic things or not? what's your current position? Do you have study mathematics earlier or not?
Yes, teacher. I know. I do.
Okay, very good. And Vida Zahir, can you tell me about yourself? Do you know do you understand these things?
Yeah, of course I do. I understand almost everything here. Just I need to review some of the lessons that you studied here.
Yes, please review the lessons. And I am telling all of the students that if you don't know anything, or if you find some difficulty in understanding basics, because knowing basics is a very important. If you don't know the basic things or fundamental, then we cannot understand these type of questions or further mathematics. Then please ask from the Atifa or the Shiba, or here is a Donia. Then they can explain this question, these problems or basics to you, okay, in Persian language. So for now, dear students, yeah, okay, yes. So for now, dear students, I want to end the lesson today, and wishing you the best. Okay. So Ma'am Nilufar is here, and I think she recorded the lecture. Okay, ma'am, please stop your recording, and now we are ending the lesson.